Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me again, your Elena. Hi, hello guys. It's morning. Good morning. It's morning here in the Philippines, and yeah, I have a package of uh, hair color. After my bleaching, I want to apply some uh, color. So this one is from Shopee. Yeah, and let's open this package. I want to put on my hairs to lessen the color of, the bleach is very strong, and the color is so bright, or yeah, because I put this color or the bleach only in front because I plan to have some highlights. Yeah. So this bleach, guys, is only in front, and some of this bleach also I put below my some hairs here for the style. Wala tayong magawa. Marami tayong maalala na gagawin dito sa ating bahay. Ayan, ito po yung product na I always like to use because it's cheap and not so strong the smell and not itchy my scalp. Hindi siya makati. So I use always this one. So I use the metallic gray color. Yes. Just put on top like highlights, guys. I put highlights. So I use metallic gray color. Metallic gray. Yes, to have some decoration on my hairs. Because na-bored na naman a kids. So let's continue watch my video how I apply this metallic gray color on my hairs. So hindi pa nag-subscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe, give us like, give us comment below, and please hit the bell button, para notified kayo sa mga susunod kong videos. Yes, I reading this instruction, so I always use 1:1, so the same proportion of product or of ingredients. Yes, yeah. So before you apply this, guys, you read the description or the how to use this product, and you must prepare this comb. This for use for if you want to put color, then you can use this container. Don't use metallic container, or you can use plastic, guys, because this product or this metallic gray can stain. If you use metallic, I always advise to use plastic, non-metallic product for these mixtures. Ayan. And guys, as you can see, my hairs, only little bit behind, just like highlights there. Yeah, but most I put this bleach in front to have it. If you have curly hair, it's good to see that you have some different colors in front of your face or your hair. I don't know, guys, I just experiment. I haven't tried this, I just bored, that's why. So let's start. You always keep in mind that you always put near you all the things that you need, because you do this alone, no one help you. So this is a self-service and cheap of course, then if you go out to go to the parlor, of course you can spend more money. But if you have skill or you don't scared to try out, it's okay, guys. So we use or I use foil, yeah, and then you separate one by one, you know, the one, as you can see, alternate, guys. First you put that this metallic gray color, and then the next is these hairs is don't have mixtures or no color, so I put alternate, so that when this finish this product, you can see that not all is gray, it's like highlights, so it's mixture of this color. Yeah, as you can see, guys, you just follow what I did. Yeah, and if you get these hairs, you put like a zigzag, or like take the other space, and then you have space, you don't get some hairs, and then you get like how to say, zigzag, getting these hairs, so that if you can see the color is become, you know, this have a row of color, and then this side is don't have, and then that side have highlights, guys. And then you just have patience to put this foil, and then you put color there too. As you can see, just have a division, guys. And then you apply, you just follow, and tiis ganda, guys, kahit nangangawit ka na dyan. So kapit lang, matatapos din yan. Ganyan talaga. So ganun lang, repeat lang yung procedure na ito. And then you keep inside. If your hair is long, then you can fold and put on the flat or this foil. Yeah, you just stick there and put this metallic gray color, and then yeah, like that. Make sure, guys, that you have gloves, but I just use only one hand because it's not easy to apply if I have two gloves. Yeah, and then it is, as you can see. Yeah, so that some hairs that you do want to put this color is protected, you know. So you just fold, and on the other side you fold like that. And then you put the other side, so that, guys, very simple. You fold so that don't come out the hairs there. And it's good, guys, if you use the foil, because it's the color will stick it inside. Yeah. And then next, yeah, you can see, guys, I scoop this see this side. This one no need to put color. Alternate, guys. Alternate. And as you can see, I just put only foil there, and then I fold. No color. Alternate. Pag self-service, a bit tiring, but it's okay. Better to have do this at home because of pandemic, you know, guys. So it's better that you can do yourself, or make this DIY at home. Yeah. So, guys, I don't put color. alternate. And then the next I put color. So see, you just like zigzag, you know, get some space, yeah, and then like this, yeah, and then take it out, yeah, like that, guys. Very nice the result. I don't put so much color, guys, just to mix this glitch, you know, is nice the result. If you want to try this, guys, just follow these steps, yeah. But make sure that everything you need is reachable, because this is self-service, yeah. As you can see, guys, just a little hairs there. I don't put all, you know. And you must use foil to protect the hairs, other hairs. And then if long, because I use only not so big foil, because my hair is so little only, guys, so I will just fold inside and stick, and then you put the color, yeah. See that? Just follow the steps, repeat the steps, guys, and then you fold. Make sure that you have a lot of color, you know. And then we wait, guys, 25 minutes, and then you wash. Don't put shampoo, you can put only the conditioner. So I think before or after you apply this, you don't see yet the real result, yeah, but yeah, I think the next day or 2 days, and then will come out the highlights. And guys, this portion of hairs is no need to put color, you know. As I said earlier, you must put alternate, what color, and then no color, and then have colors, yeah. Ayan, sa other side na tayo. Ayan, you just stick there. Ayan, nalagyan ang aking face. Just be careful, guys, before you do this, you put lotion on your ears, in your neck, and in your face. So if ever the color will spread out to your face or drop there or touch on your skin, is good, guys, that if you put lotion, you don't stick it. It's easy to erase the color, or to take out the color. Yeah, that's the result, guys. See, as you can see, yeah. And now we already wash and we see the results. And behind me is my daughter. Yeah. So you see, yeah. So you can see, guys, the bleach is not so clear now. See, have a white. This is a metallic gray. Yeah, it's nice. I love it. Yeah. And then we do the blower. The blower, yeah, guys. It's not so like kalawang the color, you know, kalawang or gold. That's why I put some highlights there, you know, to have a style. Yeah, and then we blow. Blow to see the results. When you to have it to dry first so that you can see the color. As you compare to my video before this video, is the bleaching, so you can see the difference. And guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for support, and yeah, if you found this video is very helpful to you, then you can follow the steps how to apply this, and the link, the how to bleach my hair, I put the link below, so you can watch that also guys before applying this metallic spray. So you can see the color is done now. Different. As you can see guys, the result, so you can see have the white metallic there. Yeah. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you.